Hey, I need to ask you an important question. Are you drunk? Are you sure? You're not sure? So are you drunk? Are you sure?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? So on a scale to 1 to 10, how drunk are you?
Yellow.
So you're drunk. Are you sure? How can you not be sure?
No.
On a scale to 1 to 10, how drunk are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number are you?
3.
You're 3? So you are drunk. Are you sure? You're not sure? Okay, so you are drunk. Are you sure? Okay.
I'm sure.
You're sure you're not drunk? Are you drunk? Are you sure? So on a scale to 1 to 10, how drunk are you? What number are you?
4.
So you are drunk.
You